Hello friends, welcome to my channel 0 Degree Team House. Hope everyone is fine. Today I am going to show you how to write in the website for whiteboard animation that is only using for text. So first time to show you that is the website. In using this website you can write you can write the whiteboard animation. They on this website using only for the text or text animation. So if we just copy this website and then if we go to this site, that is paste and go, you see that is here. You just cross this help site and then that is here that is the toolbox. That is you see there's here add graphic, large text, medium text, small text, page setup, play, help. I just write you and show you just simple thing. That is like if I show you there's a large text, that is you see, just double click here and just write here like 0 Degree Team House. Okay, 0 Degree Team House, and increment that is the speed. Yeah, I'm showing you the only 0.5. That is so much speed. And if you want to change this color, that just click here and I am going to show. I am just see this right in the red color. So just I am checking this red color. Okay, then update. Okay, then update. Okay, fine. Is you see that is the color. So now I am showing just play and enter. Okay, here see that is just go to this in the website in Sigma 1 that update, and if I want to show you that play ball. Okay, play ball and play. What's happened? Yeah, that is working. Okay, that is working, guys. So if we want to add some graphic, add some graphic here, like this icon material or some like we are using here this star. Okay, then okay, cross, and you can move also here. Then that is double click. If I chose the color here, you have to see the navy color, blue color, then okay, and I am increase this speed 0.6. then what's happening, that is color. Okay, then if I am showing you the play, so enter. Okay, 0 Degree Team House, and okay, that's very fine. You can also change your speed. Okay, then I am showing you if I need to go to another page, just page is 0 here, you just create one page, then page number 1 you just cross and just a small text. I am going to show you a small text. Double click here again and right here just thank you, thank you, and I am going to show you the speed 0.7.8. okay, so I am going to show the Sigma 1 now. I am going to show you the label, and this one also go to the blue. Okay, blue, then update. Okay, then what's happened? Thank you. Okay, you see that thank you. So I am going to just show you that's start from the first page 0 Degree Team House, then enter again, that is the symbol or the graphics, then that is the second time thank you. So that is my that is the website. You can write here only for text, and this website is fully free. No amount or no investment needed for this site or for this tool. Okay, so I think guys you just like this video. So friends, if you like this my video, I am just only request you, that is my channel 0 Degree Team House. Please subscribe my channel for more bingo. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm come back again with lots of things. Thank you.